Hey, sneakylinux back tonight. Tonight I've got for you tonight MyWolf 020. Now it's a puppy-based distro, as you may have noticed from the screen. A little bit different. Uses woof packages. Now a lot of people ask me about woof. What is woof? Is it Ubuntu based? Is it this? Is it that? No, it is puppy at the end of the day. But Barry Cowler came out with woof a while ago. It's just a building process and how you can do stuff. So what I'm going to do is open the help page. As you can see, Google Chrome is the start page here as the browser. And there you go, comes up. Announcements, release, MyWolf, blah, 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 blah. I'm making up some big for you. And we're going to click on that and have a little look. So I'll click here. And there's the timeline. Basically, Wolf started them. Puppy 4.3.1 come off it. You've got a Fat Dog 64, which is a 64-bit version that people are using. You've got Puppy and Puppy 4.4, which is for netbooks and older stuff and stuff like that. You've got Lucid Puppy, which uses the Debs and the Ubuntu repositories. And you've got Quirky for playing around with, basically. I'll just scroll down. You can read it at your own leisure if you want to go to the site. But basically we're saying Puppy 4, still there. Quirky for doing some really quirky stuff. Wary and very wary. Uses the cutting edge stuff like Arch and stuff like that. Up, it uses Karmic and Lucid. So that's the Deb repos. Fat Dog is for 64-bit stuff. And Puppy is for your little netbook stuff. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? So I hope that's got that bit sorted. So anyway, MyWolf basically is just a pup at the end of the day. Uses a different build process. So yeah, pretty cool. Comes with lots and lots of stuff, as you would in a pup. Right, it comes with Picasa, but it takes so long to load, I gave up doing it at the end of the day. I just got bored, if you know what I mean. But of course, we have the Gimpy. And Gimpy loads alright, as usual. First boot, it was always slow, as you know. So we wait for it to do its stuff. And Bob's your uncle. Fanny's your aunt. There it is. Never had it open like that before though. Interesting. But then again, it's using the T2 builds. So anyway, we've got our documents. There is no Abbey Word or GNumeric or Open Office whatsoever, so you're going to have to get them for yourself. But bcrypt is standard, by the way. Google Chrome for your stuff, Linux firewalls, Samba shares and stuff like that's all there. Internet, more there for your Pigeon, you got Pigeon. And for your podcast grabber, you got podcast grabber. YouTube Pub. Alright, I've tried that earlier. I'll come back to that a little bit later and explain a bit more to you about it. But hey, that's another one. Only 2 games, but I'm not using this for games really. These are like really stuff that, if you really want to get into Puppy and want to have a good play of it and get into the nitty gritty of it in the day. So what I'm going to do is set up my firewall, because nobody ever does that anymore, do they? So basically, I've opened up the firewall. I'm just going to set it to automatic, just for a laugh, and let it do its stuff. So I'll have my firewall done. So I'll click enter for OK. It starts doing its stuff. Blah, 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 blah. All done. My firewall is all done. Now if you go to Shields Up, which is a website that tests your firewalls, you'll find you get all nice green ticks. Nice, nice, nice. But I'm not going to show you that because you'll see my IP address and stuff, and I don't want you to do that, do I? No. So yes, anyway. We'll go back down. What was I going to show you? Oh yeah, I know. Puppy Package Manager. Now I'm going to open up, we're going to install a few things basically. And get down and dirty with it. Now as you can see, it is the T2/8 stuff. So we're talking a bit more cutting edge than the other pups. So Abbey Word's there, and so we want to install that really, don't we? So I'll click on it. Now it tells me there's some dependency it actually needs. So I can either go to more info, actually it tells me dependencies there, or examine dependencies. So I'm going to examine them, because I want to have a good look with my glass, just to see what they are. As you can see, there's quite a few there it needs. Excuse me. So what I want to do is download and install all of them so Abbey Word works correctly. Now as you can see, there is only one repo for these ones. That's because it's the T2 section. So you're getting deep down and dirty now. So I'm going to download all these. And I have cut the video because otherwise you'd be sitting there watching me download at such an enormously slow speed, wouldn't you? So I've cut that bit. And we've gone to near the end there. And Go Office is there, and if you look carefully, they are the tar files. They are not the pet files, they're tar files. Think about it. Yes. So, getting near the end now. Nearly all downloaded. Look, Abbey Word tar, nearly all done. It's quite a large one, so I really ought to cut that, shouldn't I? Like that. And they're all near the end. Nice. We're nearly there. And this is a bit where you have to wait, as you know, when installing some stuff in pups, but I must say that it's improved in speed. Now, do I want to trim the fat? No, I just want to install the bleeding lot, don't I? So, off we go. And we update. No missing shared libraries, That's okay for me. All installed. I'm a very happy bunny, and as you can see there, if I scroll up and down, there's all the bits I just installed. So we'll come over here, we'll go to our menu, and we'll go to document, Abbey words there. Almost instantaneous that was, wasn't it? Isn't that quick? Really, really, really quick. It's 2.8.1, so it's not the most current, but we're getting there. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Ooh, yes. So I hope you like that bit about WolfPup. Or MyWolf, should I say. It's not WolfPup. WolfPup is different. I'm a bit confused myself now. So what I'm going to chuck in Puppy Linux here. Or just Puppy, and then the suggestions will come up. There you go. Nice. I'm just going to click on one. There you go. Takes us to the page. Where should we go? We'll go to the Puppy... No, we'll go to Quirky for a laugh. Yes. Now, I like Quirky. It's really, really quick, but it is like a testing section, really. It's like testing all new stuff and new file stuff and whatever. You just go in to read about it and you'll understand what I mean. I mean, it's really good the way you can use all the other repositories from all different distributions, like Debian, Arch, Slacks, etc., etc., etc. Puppy can now use all these for doing stuff, which is really good for everybody. So do I think. Anyway, back to the Puppy package manager. As you can see on the T28s here, there's not a lot of stuff in the repos, but it's cutting edge basically. In the day, it's really testing all stuff like that. There's file systems there. Look, there's all your X stuff here if you really want to do joysticks, VMware Exorg virtual mouse, and for your VMware, should I say? All there, as you can see. Nice in graphics. Gimpy's already there, so we don't really need much. MPaint's there, but hey, don't really need it, do we really? Documents, I've already had Abbey Word, so I don't need to put it in, but you can put LeafPad in if you want to, and stuff like that. Business, G-numeric is the baby there, as you can see. That shouldn't actually need any extra reps. So, but hey, just download and find out if you want to. Go to Internet, there we go. Look what we've got in there. You can get the Firefox 3.5.5. I prefer the 4 beta, personally myself. Monkey 2's there, and also XChat. Multimedia, on the other hand, we only get 2 GXE, which I think we already have actually. It was at MPlayer, I can't remember now. And for fun, there's nothing there. I won't click all because it'll all come up. So now I'm going to go back to Internet. And basically, I'm going to click on XChat and we're going to install XChat. Now, as soon as you click on it in PUP, it thinks you want to download it. Now, there's no dependencies here, so it should just be lovely. Still the same one, only one repo. So, yep, don't forget that. Download my packages. Down he comes. Dum 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 dum. We wait. It's nearly done. Look, it's really nice and quick this time. Net speed's nice and quick for a change. So okay, there we go. It starts installing all stuff for us and stuff like that. Do I want to trim the fat? No, I just want to install it, get it all over and done with, because I want to use it to show you that it actually works. Or hopefully it will work. Because I don't know, do I? If I just installed it, it might not work. Yeah. So, in theory, that should all be there now. Let's see if I can go and find it. It's not in there. Okay. Where else will I go? It's not in there either. No, network. There it is. Look. In network, XChat. Now, running RC as root is stupid. Now, remember, running root is what Puppy does. But on this particular version of Wolf 0.20, should I say, you get to get a login and a username. But I'll come to that in another video, or unless you want to go and download it yourself and find out for yourself. But there is a way to get Pup not to run as root. You can just use it as a user, should I say, and it will be fine. So anyway, I'm going to put some new names here. So Sneaky in that one, Sneaky 1 in that one, I think, and my third choice, Sneaky 10,055,000. Nah, 21 do. And put your username and your real name. I'm just going to put the usual because it's just testing the way it goes, basically. I'm just going to test it out and make sure it all works. So I'm going to connect to Freenode. There we go. Click there. Then connect. Now this is where you see it thinks about it. Now the one thing I didn't like about this bit is the fonts are not particularly stand out, and sometimes it's hard to read. But that's just me. I may need to add some more fonts, and that should sort that out at the end of the day, shouldn't it? So we're connected. So I want to join a channel, don't I? So let's think of some channels to join. Oh no, we'll go to Hadron. That's the Turkish-based distro. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see if they're all awake or anything like that. Well, there's a few people awake, but whether they'll reply to me is another thing. So I'm just going to type in a few things here. I'll put in hi guys, and maybe they all can say hello back, and so you can actually see it's actually working. Okay? And nothing's happening. No. Bearing in mind they're 2-3 hours ahead of me though, they might all be in bed, basically. So yeah, join another channel. Mix is another one I go to quite a lot actually. Mixes the DJ desktop stuff. Very nice. There's always a lot of guys on here, but maybe they won't reply because basically they all got the headphones on and doing music. Who knows? So I'll just quickly put something in there. No, I don't know whether it bother. Yeah, no, Hedron's not replying. Should we try it with Mix? Yeah, put it in just in case somebody might be awake. You never know. As you know, IRC is not almost instantaneous all the time, so I'll join another one. Like the one I've been going to recently is Lubuntu, because I do like Lubuntu, because I like LXDE, one of my faves, as you know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type hi guys in there, and hopefully we'll get a reply. So we'll wait for a few seconds just in case, because it may not be working. I might be typing away there and nothing's happening. No, nothing's coming up there on the IRC, is it really? Nothing at all. Oh, blimey, BIOS replied. That's very nice. So we know IRC works in this version of Puppy, which is really, really good. I'll just say thanks for that. In the channel, put him in, and we can go now, can't we, really? We've done what we needed to do. Very nice indeed. So I'll quit that. Now, MyWolf is very, very nice to use. It's really, really quick. The logins with your password sometimes don't work, especially if you forget your password and stuff like that. But hey, on the whole, I really, really like it because it's so fast. And you get some nice little sounds come out of it when you log in and stuff like that. But hey, it's really, really nice. Don't forget you get a virus scanner as well if you want to install that. So you can have your virus scanner and a firewall if you really choose to do so. Right, YouTube Hub. I've tried this several times on my own videos. Don't want to work. Never mind. Anyway, that's enough of me. Sneaky Linux. Like it very much. I'm going to play. See you later.